I am a Liberian, a mining and mineral processing engineer. I joined Arcelor in 2018 through their Young Professionals program, an internship. I had the opportunity to work with the DSO plant, the operations in Tukade. Then I have a passion of leveraging Liberia's raw material and adding value to it. So I obtained a scholarship in mineral processing from the African Development Bank. And upon completion of my internship, I decided to go and follow my studies to master's level in mineral processing engineering. Arcelor sponsored company of my studies, the Stapping component, and they gave me iron ore sample to do my master's thesis. So upon completion of my master's, I came back to Liberia and I was integrated in the Arcelor workforce as the mining mineralogist. And they told me wise that in preparation of the phase 2 project that they sent me on a development mission to Canada. My mission to Canada was in threefold. The first one was to deepen understanding in the mining value chain, focus on the concentrator. So I was exposed to operational dynamics in the mining operations as well as technical quandaries. I started up with the mining technical services, the mine operation, tailing and water management, as well as optimization and improvement projects that are critical for iron ore operations. In Canada, the operation is very big, it's 26 million tons, so I went over practically to understand what was happening in there and to see what knowledge and practice and systems they have got in place that we can also copy and use the same here for our concentrator project that is currently starting up, and to get all details, information and systems and procedures and processes then I can bring by and transition also. In addition to that, I also try to build connections and network between a company in Canada and that of our colleagues also here, so that we can have collaborations going in the future. I view working for Arcelormittal Liberia now at this stage as an incredible opportunity for me to contribute first to the growth of this business here in Liberia, and I see this as a platform for us to leverage our skills and potential also to make impacts and to also lead change in our community, and also serve as role model for our fellow Liberians who are coming. And it's necessary for Liberians to take leadership role and make meaningful contributions to their resources. And working for a company who also emphasizes local staff development is also something I deeply appreciate. But what is required now is just the proper structures that we all will follow, that management will continue to see reasons to support the Liberians and also play meaningful roles in leadership, so that we can all contribute our quotas to make sure this operation is successful. I view the phase 2 project as the biggest impactful project that's happened to Liberia since the fund of our civil war. And because you may be aware that we're building 15 million tons iron ore concentrator, that means we're going to mine pretty close to 25-26 million tons of raw ore a year. So and you may also be aware that steel is the chief ingredient for most of the industrial development that is going to be going on within the next 100 years to come, because the race to develop spacecraft and almost all of the major industrial developments that are done, steel has found its place in there, and iron ore is a chief commodity for that also. So having Liberia to be producing 15 million tons iron ore concentrate per year brings us closer to having a steel plant in the nearest future, and also going to position us to contribute to the world market. This has the potential to significantly change the economic landscape of Liberia for the next 60 years, providing source of livelihood for us and our descendants to come. So this is the most reason that we as Liberians must increase our interest into the phase 2 project and be integrated into key roles, so that we can harness our skill collectively along with our international partners and make sure that we contribute our significant quotas immensely towards the success of this project. I see it as a platform for us to drive change and also to take charge of our resources, and also to contribute to sustainable growth in our community. So I'm grateful to Arcelor Liberia and Arcelor Worldwide, and also to all of the people in management who've been doing their best to make sure we have attained this stage. All we try to say is to appeal to them to continue doing what they have to do and to make sure we reach the optimal height we anticipate to reach. Also to contribute to sustainable growth and transform our community and our country at large.